Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices rose, helped by cooler than expected US inflation numbers, strengthening investor expectations that the Federal Reserve would start cutting interest rates by September. Wall Street dipped, with investors spooked by Middle East tensions, while a tame inflation report calmed concerns around tariff-driven price pressures, and traders awaited more details on the China-US trade talks. Bitcoin is closing in on a new high, buoyed by renewed optimism that the United States and China have reached a final agreement on their long-awaited trade deal. The world's largest trading economies have nearly completed their trade agreement, according to a post by US President Donald Trump.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The sterling dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.